Hey YouTube, I have these two Galaxy A20s, brand new. Two Galaxy A20s. I'm finna unbox one today. 32 gigabyte, comes with all that. So yeah, let's get to it. So yeah, comes with this. I'm not really good at it unboxing stuff yet, so I'm not for that. Oh. What kind of charger it comes with? I think it's a Type C. This is a Type C charger, the wall adapter right here. All black, fast charging, blah, blah, blah. Okay, look at it. Ooh. Oh my God. All these fingerprint on it. Wipe it off real quick. I'm just gonna get back on it, but damn. Just look at it. The Galaxy A20, you guys. Fingerprint, camera. What's that? The flash, camera. Ooh, look at the camera. We got two cameras. Not the Galaxy. Let's see. Look at the Galaxy. I want to do a little test with the versus Galaxies. This Galaxy versus the iPhone. I'm gonna do it. But yeah, I'm gonna do it just for y'all. Metro by T-Mobile, Ooh, swipe up just like the iPhone, right? Whoa. Okay, let's check out the camera. So, there it go. Oh, y'all see me though? Ooh. Look at the camera. Let's try the live focus. Can I turn the brightness up? I'm not used to Androids like that. Well, I know. I used to have one. I know we all used to have an Android right now. Especially the Galaxy. Oh my God. Let me stop. See, I can't see me perfectly, but when your boy looking sexy. I'm gonna need Metro to stop texting this phone number. But yeah, I'm also selling these. I'm also selling these $100, man. And you know how much these cost in the store? $239. $100. All you gotta do is pay me $40 a month to keep it on. That's it. That's it. You can send it to me PayPal, Cash Out. However, I just need about $40 monthly. Just to keep it on. And they have unlimited service. With 15 gigabyte Wi-Fi. Nobody can't beat that, bro. What else I'm looking for, bro? What else I'm looking for? Oh, the fingerprint. See, bro. Dealing with the Android, bro. And yes, Galaxy did not sponsor this video. No, this video is not sponsored. So please tell them to sponsor me, Cause damn, man, I need to get sponsored out here, man. Damn. What I'm looking for? See, I forgot what I'm looking for, man. Oh, Lord. What was I looking for? Oh, the fingerprint. Let's see how fast that is to set up. See, this is my first unboxing video, so I know. Y'all just watch me. Oh, it got face recognition. Oh my god, it got face ID on here. Whoa, see, I ain't know that part. See, I ain't know that part. Okay, it's not 111. No, let's see how fast this thing goes. See, now I really want to do the little comparison. That's it? Wow, all I did was just put my face in there. Oh, this thing here too fast. Okay. What Apple, you gotta move your face around? No. Oh, wait, no, I'm not for sign there. So wait. That's it. No. Oh, hey, Galaxy A20, Samsung Galaxy A20. Hey, now one thing about it, this Face ID is faster than the iPhone. Matter of fact, I got damn. Man, I'm just do it another day. But yo, I know y'all seen that Face ID, bro. Hold on. Let me try this again. Let me take it off. Wait. Yo, let me try the fingerprint right quick. 1. Okay, make sure my finger not sweaty. Okay. Damn, that's all you gotta do? That's it. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. Try it out. That's it. Oh, yes. Yeah. The fingerprint and the Face ID faster than an iPhone? Wow. I see you, Galaxy. I see you doing your thing. I want to delete it now. I'm about to sell this phone. I should keep it, but nah. I need to sell it. And I will be doing a drop test on one of these. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this phone. I gotta keep it. 1. Face unlock, keep it off. Remove face data. Okay, what else I'm gonna try? We're gonna try the camera. We're gonna try the Face ID. Okay, let's see how loud it can get. Fucking Android. Gotta start using this more often, man, so I can get used to it. Music. What music should I play? You know what? See the quality. Wait, is it 480?
I wanna know if you really gon' ride. I wanna know if you really gon' slide. Fucking with soldier, you bitches can die. Some of these niggas be wasting my time. All of these bitches be feeding me lies. I'm the nigga who be treating you fine. You want me at 10, babe, I'm coming at 9. Fuck all that talking, just come and be mine. Fuck all that talking, just come and be mine. On Tuesday, heard these fucking niggas searching for a fucking tool. Nigga, why you told it? You know you ain't gon' use it. Bad street, baby, make a project, boy, lose it. Boy, flick it up. Pussy nigga, what you rapping? I got real brothers who really be snapping. No
It's
niggas,
kind of loud. It's kind of loud. It's kind of loud.
Cause I just be jigging and shit. Fucking with me, bitch, I'm straight from the bricks. We them niggas who be matching them niggas. Please don't make me go to clapping and shit. Plugged in like a doctor and shit. You ain't say my name, I ain't hearing no diss.
It's kind of loud. Yeah, it's straight, but the speaker just at the bottom though. I don't think it's done at the top, is it? Nah.
Man, I heard some shit, man. What's up, man? What these niggas talking about, man?
See, I don't even hear nothing from him. You know, that usually be the speaker. But it just got the speakers down here, look. Yeah, I can barely hear.
No, man, peace shit.
Yeah, it's on the speakers down here, though. I mean, but this Galaxy, man.
I be riding with a 20 ready for the shoot. Keep on talking shit, I bet
Oh, shit!
in the jungle, but no crackers want me in
No!
gripping on a tool, I got nothing else to do.
No!
It ain't nothing new.
No!
Better run too.
Oh, they got this right here? Something the iPhone don't got? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I see you, Galaxy. I see you. I always wanted this on the iPhone, bro. Wow. Just click the home button, boom, little mini video right now. Oh, my God. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I fuck with it. I fuck with it, Galaxy, boy. I see you doing your thing. I see you, but hey, man. Hey, man. Y'all be ready for the scratch, the little dent test. Y'all be ready for the drop test. And I'm going to put this phone in water, too, for a minute, though. Just for a minute. So y'all stay tuned with me. Stay tuned with your boy. Again, this is a Galaxy A20. A20, you guys. A20. And please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you. Stay tuned and go like and follow my business page. I Break Tronic on Facebook and IG. Matter of fact, and Twitter too. So y'all follow me and and keep up with your boy. And this is my first unboxing video, so don't judge me. Bye.